students, welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the MSET problems from the chapter Applications of Derivatives, and the subtopic is Maximum Minimum. Okay, and the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MSET examination. So all of you use these videos, follow the videos, make the notes, practice the problems. Okay, and in the description I am giving the link of the practice sums also. All of you see the description and open the link and solve those questions also. Okay, let us start the class. The question is, at x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to cos x minus 1 plus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. The options are, it has the minimum value or maximum value, like that. The options are like that. So first, to find the answer, first of all we have to take the derivative, that is f dash of x is equal to cos x derivative minus sin x, and this is 2x by 2, that is x, and this is 3x square by 6, that is x square by 3. Okay, now replacing that x is equal to 0 here, then we get f dash of x is also equal to 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. This is equal to 0. So that is, so clearly x is the root of the equation, f dash of x is equal to 0. Now doing that, f double dash of x is equal to minus sin x derivative minus cos x, x derivative 1, and this derivative minus 2x by 3. Now replacing that x is equal to 0 here in the value f double dash of x, that is equal to f double dash of 0 is equal to minus cos x minus cos 0, that is 1, and this is 1 and this is 0. So value is equal to 0. That is, suppose when we get the value f double dash of x less than 0, then we can tell that the function has the maximum value. And if suppose this value greater than 0, then we can tell that the function has the minimum value. Okay, depending upon the value greater than 0 or less than 0, we can tell that the minimum value or maximum value. But here we get the value f double dash of x equals to 0. Equal to 0 means it has no minimum or maximum value at x is equal to 0. It has no minimum or maximum value at x is equal to 0. That is the third option. Okay. Next problem, sum number 32. The minimum value of 64 secant theta plus 27 cosecant theta when theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So we want the minimum value of this expression. So observe that the given expression is in the form of a secant theta plus b cosecant theta. And the minimum value to this expression is equals to, the formula is, we have one direct formula, that is a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 power 3 by 2. So this is the direct formula. So applying this formula to get the answer. What are the a comma b values? A is equal to 64. So 64 power 2 by 3. 64 power 2 by 3 plus what is b value? 27. 27 power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Okay. This is the direct formula for finding the minimum value of the given expression. So this is 4 cube. 4 cube power 3 by 2, that is 4 square is equal to 16. And 3 cube power 2 by 3, that is 3 square is equal to 9. So this is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. And 25 is equal to 5 square. So this is 5 square power 3 by 2, that is equals to 5 cube, and answer is equal to 125. And that is the first option. Okay. Next question, sum number 33. The minimum value of the expression 7 by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 2 is equal to. We want the minimum value of this expression. So the formula is nothing but, so minimum value of this total expression is nothing but 7 by, we are applying this minimum value to the denominator value, then this minimum value becomes the maximum value. Okay, that is 7 by maximum value of the given expression, that is maximum value of 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 2. So this is the direct formula. Minimum value of 7 by this expression is equals to 7 by maximum value of the given expression, and this is equals to 7 by, so clearly this is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. And what is the maximum value of this expression? A cos x plus b sin x plus c. What is the maximum value formula? C plus square root of a square plus b square. Okay. This is the formula for finding the maximum value of this expression. And this is equals to 7 by, what is c value? 2 plus square root of a square plus b square. 9 plus 16, that is 25. So this is equal to 7 by 7 and that is equals to 1, which is the first option. Next question, sum number 34. If f of x is equals to a0 plus a1x square plus a2x power 4 and so on an x power 2n, where 0 less than a0 less than a1 less than and so on an, then f of x has the, here also the expressions are, it has no minimum value or maximum value, only one minimum, only one maximum, like that. That is, so here clearly we have to find the values of the dash of x and f double dash of x and checking the condition. Okay, so first f dash of x, doing the derivative. What is f dash of x value here? A0 is equal to constant, derivative is equal to 0, and a1 into x square derivative 2x and a2 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube and so on plus an into x power 2n derivative 2n into x power 2n minus 1. Okay. Now in the next step we are taking x common from all these terms, that is x into 2a1 plus 4 into a2 into x square and so on 2n into an into x power 2n minus 2. Okay, just taking x common. Now equating that f dash of x is equal to 0, then we get clearly x is equal to 0. So here this is the critical point, x is equal to 0. Now finding the f double dash of x value, f double dash of x is equal to just finding the value to this equation. Okay, so that is a1 into 2x derivative 2a1 and 4a2 into x cube derivative 3x square and so on plus an into 2n into 2n into 2n minus 1 into x power 2n minus 2 and into x power n minus 1. Okay, now substituting the x is equal to 0 here in this equation, then what we get, f double dash of 0 is equal to only 2a1 and the remaining all values is equal to 0 when we take x is equal to 0 here, and here already given that a1 greater than 0 means a1 is the positive value. So a1 is the positive value, that is f double dash of 0 greater than 0. That is at x is equal to 0, f double dash of x greater than 0 means the function f of x has the minimum value. Since here we get that f double dash of x greater than 0 at x is equal to 0 means at x is equal to 0 the function has the minimum value. So the option is only one minimum value and that is the third option. Next question, sum number 35. The condition for the equation f of x is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus r to have no extreme value is equals to. So we want the condition for the given equation to have no extreme value. No extreme value means for that first here we have to find the derivative value. What is derivative value? 3x square plus 2px plus q. Okay, this is the derivative value. So to have no extreme value means first of all we don't get the values x from this equation. That is, to this equation there is no x values are existed. There is no real values are existed to this value. That is just taking that p square minus 4ac less than 0. When we have the p square minus 4ac less than 0, then this equation no real root value. Okay, if the x value is not existed, then there is no minimum value or maximum value or existed to the given equation. That is, the given equation has no extreme values, has no minimum or maximum values. For that, what is the condition here? To the equation f dash of x is equal to 0, the condition b square minus 4ac less than 0. Now replacing the values. What is b square value? B is equal to 2p. 4p square minus 4 into x value 3 and c value q. That is, taking 4 common here, then we get p square minus 3q less than 0. So p square minus 3q less than 0, then the answer is p square minus 3q less than 0. That is p square less than 3q. That's all, and this is the first option. The next question, the maximum value of x cube minus 3x in the interval 0 to 2, in the closed interval 0 to 2. So we want the maximum value of this expression. So first I take that this is equals to f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Here the procedure is, first we want to find the derivative to this equation, which is equals to 3x square minus 3, and equating that f dash of x is equal to 0, that is 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. which implies 3x square is equal to 3 and x square is equal to 1. Okay, 3x square is equal to 3, x square is equal to 1. Therefore, what are the x values here? X is equal to plus or minus 1. So here we get two x values. Already here the given interval is 0, 2. That is, we take that the total x values is equal to 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1. So already here in the given interval we have two x values. Here we get plus or minus 1. The values of x is equal to here 0, 2, 1, minus 1. Here the maximum value is nothing but maximum of f of 0, f of 2, f of 1, f of minus 1. That is, to get the maximum value of the given question, first of all we have to find all these values and taking the maximum of all these values as the maximum value. We have to take the maximum value of all these values as the maximum value. Okay, what is f of 0? What is the function here? X cube minus 3x. What is f of 0? That is equal to 0. What is f of 2 value? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. What is f of 1 value? 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. F of what is minus 1 value? Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now what is the maximum value here? Here we get the maximum value is equal to 2. So answer is equal to 2. Okay, and that is the third option. Very easy. Just doing that f dash of x is equal to 0 and finding the x values. And already here we have two x values and taking all those x values and replacing those values in the given function and taking the maximum value of those values. That's all. Very easy concept. Next question, sum number 37. The greatest value of sin cube x plus cos cube x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Same procedure. First I take that this is the given question is equal to f of x, that is f of x is equal to sin cube x plus cos cube x. Okay, and doing the derivative and equating that value to 0. That is, sin cube x derivative is equal to 3 sin square x into cos x plus cos cube x derivative is equal to 3 cos square x into minus sin x. Okay, is equal to 0. Now taking here 3 sin x cos x common from this equation, then what we get? 3 sin x cos x into what is the first value here? Remaining value sin x, and here the remaining value is minus cos x equal to 0. Now equating each value to 0, that is sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. And the second value cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0 means x is equal to pi by 2. And third value sin x minus cos x is equal to 0. Sin x minus cos x is equal to 0 means sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x means the value of x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now these are the x values. What we get here? X is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, the x values is equal to 0, pi by 2, pi by 4. Already in the interval also we have the value 0, pi by 2. Now what is the maximum value? Maximum value is nothing but maximum of f of 0 and f of pi by 2 and f of pi by 4. Okay. That is, to get the maximum value we have to replace these values in the given question. What is f of 0 value? Sin cube x plus cos cube x. Sin cube 0 plus cos cube 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1. And what is f of pi by 2? Sin cube pi by 2 plus cos cube pi by 2. 1 plus 0, that is 1. And what is pi by 4 value? 1 by root 2 whole cube plus 1 by root 2 whole cube. 1 by root 2 whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 root 2, and this is also 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to 2 by 2 root 2, and 2 by 2 root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, the maximum value is equal to here 1. That is the first option. Okay, the value of 1 greater than 1 by root 2. That is, this is the maximum value, so option is equal to 1. Next question, the absolute maximum value of phi is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2, where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Okay, absolute maximum value, that is same procedure. First we have to take the given function is equal to f of x, that is f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2, and here the given interval is closed interval 0 to 2. This is given. Now doing the derivative, f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3. Now equating this value to 0, that is 3x square is equal to 3, then x square is equal to 1, then x is equal to plus or minus 1. What are the x values here? X is equal to 0, 2, minus 1, 1. Now what is maximum of f of x value? Now maximum of f of x is equal to just finding all these values and taking the maximum value. F of 0, f of 2, f of minus 1, f of 1. What is f of 0 value? 0 minus 0 plus 2, that is 2. What is f of 2 value? 8 plus 2, 10 minus 6, that is 4. What is f of minus 1 value? Minus 1 plus 5, that is 4. And what is f of 1 value? 3 minus 3, that is 0. So maximum value is equal to 4, and that is the first option. Okay. Next question, sum number 39. The least and greatest values of the expression f of x is equal to x square log x in the interval 1 comma e is equals to the least and greatest values of the expression. So same procedure, first doing the derivative. F dash of x is equal to x square into log x derivative is equal to 1 by x plus log x into x square derivative is equal to 2x. Now equating that f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay. So here taking x common, then we get x into 1 plus 2 log x. 1 plus 2 log x is equal to 0. That is, first value is x is equal to 0 and the second value is log x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then x is equal to e power minus 1 by 2. E power minus 1 by 2 means that is equals to 1 by root e. Okay. Now, so these are the x values. Now, what are the x values here? X is equal to 0, 1, e, 1 by root e. Now, replacing all these values in the given question, that is, we want the values of f of 0, f of 1, f of e, f of 1 by root e. Finding all these values and taking the maximum value. What is f of 0? Equals to 0. What is f of 1? Equal to 0. What is f of e? E square into log e is equal to 1. What is f of 1 by root e? 1 by root e whole square is equal to 1 by e into log of 1 by root e. That is, the minimum value is equal to 0, maximum value is equal to e square. The least value is equals to 0 and greatest value is equal to e square. Okay. Next question, sum number 14. If small m and capital M respectively denote the minimum and maximum values of the expression f of x is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 3 for x belongs to closed interval minus 3 comma 1, then the ordered pair small m comma capital M is equals to. Okay. So here small m and capital M are the minimum and maximum values of this expression. Then what is this value? We want the values of m comma m. We want the values of the least value and greatest value. Okay. So doing the derivative, f dash of x is equal to 2 into x minus 1 plus 0. Now equating this value to 0, then we get that x is equals to 1. Okay. Equating this value to 0 means we get that x is equals to 1. Now replacing that x is equal to minus 3 comma 1 only in the given question. That is, f of minus 3 comma f of 1. We want these two values. So f of minus 3 is equals to minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 whole square, 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. And f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the minimum value, least value m is equal to 3 and greatest value, maximum value is equal to 19. Therefore, the answer is equal to 3 comma 19. We want this value. Answer is equal to 3 comma 19 and that is the second option. That's all.